Yes, yes. After talking with you, I feel some good vibes. So I definitely say that your future will be definitely bright. So my best wishes will always be with you, dear. And as you are already doing hard work, so yes,
Thank you so
hard
much.
work pays one day.
Okay, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, you too.
Yes, how are you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing great. I'm well. And what about you?
Yes, I'm fantastic. Thank you for asking. Since we are meeting for the first time, so would you like to give your short introduction?
Yes, thanks. I am Shweta. I am speaking from West Bengal, originally from Jharkhand. And I have completed my BSc and I have good typing skill, both Hindi and English. And I'm in the journey of learning English and I'm sharing my English journey in form of my videos on my channel named Improve English with Shweta with 1.8K subscribers. So that's all about myself.
Oh, that's nice. First of all, congratulations.
Thank you, thank you.
Okay, so would you like my introduction?
Yes, yes. I'm about to ask you your introduction.
Okay, so my name is Tanuja and I'm from Bhopal city. If I'll talk about my education, so I have completed my engineering in IT stream and currently I'm a working professional in one of the IT company. It's been 5 years in my company and simultaneously I'm also running my YouTube for last 2 years. Yeah, that's all about me.
Great. And how many videos have you uploaded till now?
Yeah, it's two like 500 plus.
Wow,
Yeah,
great.
actually it's very long time, so that's why.
Uh, you are a hardworking girl, and yes, you are doing great in your life.
Thank you so much. Okay, so when did you started your channel?
It's been 2 years.
2 years. Okay, like same.
Yes, yes.
Okay,
How many subscribers do you have?
it's 2.5, I guess. I
Oh,
forgot.
that's great. And have you completed your watch time?
Yes, yes, my channel has monetized.
Okay, so congratulations for this.
Thank you. Okay, so how was your day today?
Yeah, today is a great day. I again started my recording my videos.
Mhm.
So I'm happy for that because I love to speak in English. So today is a good day for me.
Okay, so in your place, do you celebrate Janmashtami?
Yes, yes, we celebrate Janmashtami.
Okay. Yeah, so today is Janmashtami.
Yes, in all over India we celebrate Janmashtami. We do puja of Krishna. Yes,
Mhm. Yeah, but in some state, I guess they celebrate in the very big form. But in some state, we just do worship at our home and we just go to temples so like this.
yes, yes, yes.
So how do you celebrate?
I just worship at home and not that much. In my mother do great worship like a whole day fast and in the evening she celebrated in a good way. But because I do just normal puja, nothing special.
Okay. Mm-hmm. But in my home also, like we in the morning we just do like simple puja, simple worship, and in the night time at 12 a.m. We worship like there is a birthday celebration of a god Krishna, so we cut the cake also, and we offer prayers and offer like all the things that we offer to Lord Krishna. So we just do like this, and yeah, in the night we go to our nearby temple also. So they celebrate this festival like in very good manner. Like there is a birthday celebration of a small kid, and so they celebrated a lot of excitement. So we just and they do lot of activities also. You must have seen matki food and all.
Yes,
So
yes.
yeah, so this kind of things as we see in temple also.
Yes, in Maharashtra also matki food is even they do like a competition. will who will जो मटकी फोड़ेगा उसको they got some prize.
Prizes also. Yeah, yeah. So have you ever tried in your childhood?
No, I never tried. And I'm in Bengal, so here Durga Puja is celebrated in a great way.
Yes, I know it. It's also about to come.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
from where you have completed your engineering from Bhopal,
Yeah, Bhopal itself.
and you are working in Bhopal itself.
My work location is in Delhi, but I'm working from home, so that's why I'm in my hometown.
Wow, so it's a great thing. So, but you have to sit in front of computer or laptop at a stretch, like 4 hours, 5 hours. So, how you make your health fit and fine?
Yeah, absolutely. 8 to 9 hours I have to give for my work. So yeah, like I'm in my home, so sometimes like I take 10 to 15 minutes of break just to walk here and there, just to maintain my health. And yeah, sometimes I get back pain and all because of every time I have to sit at in front of laptop, and sometimes my eyes pain a lot. So yeah, because our screen time is very long, I can say, but 9 hours in front of laptop. And other than that, as I am a YouTuber also, so you can understand that we need to upload videos and edit videos. It takes a lot of time. So it's very
Yes.
time consuming.
Do you edit your videos on laptop or in mobile?
uh, yeah, like before sometimes I was using my laptop only just to do all the thing, but recently I bought new phone, so now I'm trying with my new phone.
Congratulations. Yes, we can do edit in both. Whatever convenient for you, you can do. Yes, and for improving your spoken English.
Okay, so improving English, as I don't get much time to be honest, but yeah, every day I just try to speak 15 to 20 minutes daily. It's in my habit, and in the night time I just try to listen some English content, especially like who are very good at English, like a native speaker or maybe expert in this language, so that I can grab the new things from them, and I'm utilizing in my conversation too. Yeah, and sometimes if I have enough time, so I do reading as well, like newspaper or any kind of articles. Yeah, that's it only.
Yes, yes. Okay, so how you inspired to create your channel?
Uh, I don't know. I inspired by myself only. Think like I had started my channel with mathematics, with teaching mathematics first, because I'm very good at mathematics. So I decided, like before joining my job, I was giving coachings as well for mathematics. So I decided, but after joining my job, I shifted to another city. So I left these things, and when I came back, so I thought I can resume these things again. But to teach offline, I need to give proper time to them, according to their syllabus, according to their time, like students time. So I just thought if I'll do online teaching, so it would be good or time convenient for me. But like it was taking a lot of my time, and after my job I was unable to do so. So suddenly I shifted to English language, and now it's all about English channel.
Okay, are you providing online teaching classes?
No, no, not yet.
Okay, so what do you think? Uh, should I go for online teaching or should I go with offline teaching? What is your experience?
Uh, First, I want to suggest that offline coaching is good, because we are not just giving classes, but if you will get physical environment, so it's beneficial for students also and for teachers also, as I believe. But in online, that for example, if I'll talk about me, so I am just speaking like in my workplace also. like in English language, and I'm doing this kind of practice with co-learners also. But still, I believe that if I'll get the physical environment where I can talk in person, so that would be, very beneficial for me. Because ultimately we have to gain confidence to speak in front of people. So I think offline is best, as per my opinion.
Yes, yes, yes. Same, and I started providing home tuition at my home. So initially I did full time towards YouTube, but after that I thought that no, I should shift, and now I shifted towards providing home tuition. So I decrease the posting of my videos. I am not uploading daily videos, but simultaneously I'm taking home tuition as well.
Okay, for English subject itself.
So for all subjects for
Or-
junior students like class 3 to
So not only that we are teaching, we also get new things to learn from them also, and sometimes it's fun also. Because I remember when I used to give coaching, so students were giving too much respect to me. Like yes, he's a teacher, so every time on some occasion, like on Teachers' Day, so they used to do a lot of things for me. So it was a kind of very happiest moment for me. So I still remember all these things.
yes, definitely. And what
Hmm.
about your job? Do you want to shift your job, or do you continue this job, your IT job?
Yes, I want to continue my IT job itself, but yeah, if I'll get the chance, so I will switch to another company for my betterment, like for earning and learning both. So yeah, I'm preparing for that, like technical skills and this communication skills also. So yeah, because in like corporate sector, both the things matter. Like if you are good at your soft skills also, and your technical skills, it's also good. So that's the plus point. Like yes.
Have you tried for cracking any government examination?
Uh, Not actually, because you can say that since my childhood, I wanted to become an IT engineer. So that's why I never tried. Yeah, I had given some of the exam in the initial days, like railway and SSC all, but I don't know well. I didn't clear, I guess. So that's why.
Yes, you have to be consistent towards your effort, and if you are not willing from inside, and getting government job is very tough nowadays. Success rate is very less, so there is
Mm-hmm.
no.
No, actually, what happened? I never think that.
So you can try for doing this, because people say that if you get government job, then your life will be secure.
Absolutely, because in IT sector there is no security, like job security. If company will go in loss, so they will definitely fire you. So we can't say that yes, it's a secure job. Yeah, but in IT sector or maybe in corporate sector, you can earn more and more. It depends on your skill set. So some people prefer private job just because of salary. Uh, but yeah, sometimes it's hectic also. I have seen that so in some of the designation you have to give your proper time, like 24 cross 7. You have to give your time. So yeah, it's kind of complicated sometimes. But for gaining one thing, you have to lose for something.
Right, yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. Okay, so do you have any kind of particular goal in your life, like after five years or maybe 6 years, like this?
I just want to become financially independent. So I tried a lot of things, and it's going on. Let's see. At least I want that much economical independence that if I want to purchase anything, then I can do by my own. I don't have to ask anyone that please give me money. I want to buy this. So, and in this way I can help others. Many times
Yes.
I want to help others, but if your vessel is empty, how can you serve others? So first you have to fulfill your vessel. So I want to become financially independent. So this is my goal, and I have spent like just being a homemaker 15 years of my age, I can say. 15 years of my life I have spent just like being a homemaker, and now I started small. I had been taken small steps, and started earning, and it's going on.
Yes, yes. At least when you have particular goal, so that we try to achieve those things. When I was in college or school, so I had thinking that anyhow I have to help my parents, and for that I have to become financially independent. Then only I can help them, and I can fulfill their dreams also. So yeah, fortunately, like at that time I struggled a lot because getting a job is really tough, I can say. So yeah, I struggled that time a lot, but fortunately I got placed. But still, I have a lot of dream. Especially, I want to fulfill for my parents. And yeah, for that I'm working hard.
Yes, yes. After talking with you, I feel some good vibes. So I definitely say that your future will be definitely bright. So my best wishes will always with you, dear. And as you are already doing hard work, so
Thank
yes,
you so
hard
much.
work pays one day. You want as you and I also want to earn money, but in a good way, in a right path. So definitely Lord Krishna will shower their blessings to both of us.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. When I woke up in the morning, so I recalled one thing because like past year when it was the Janmashtami, so I completed my 1K subscribers on the Janmashtami itself. So I was very happy because suddenly it got increased. Like I had only 300 or 400, and suddenly it spiked, and I completed 1K in within 2 or 3 days only, and on Janmashtami it completed. So in today morning I was thinking the same. Maybe God has some good plan for me, or I was wishing I was wishing for good things only in the morning.
Yes, we should wind up our conversation.
Okay. Yeah, we can wind up. It's 18 minutes, but yeah, if
18.
I'll get the chance, so we will meet again. Thank you so much for your time.
Okay, same for you. Thank you, Tanuja.
Yeah, and I enjoyed this session because when we get good vibes from the other people, so we get excited to talk. So yeah, it was a lovely conversation. Thank you. Thanks a lot.